In this video, I will be showing you how to use ChatGPT for content creation. Let's get started. I start by opening my browser, heading to chatgpt.com, and clicking the Ask Anything field. I type a detailed prompt asking for a complete 30-day social media content plan tailored for a productivity and self-improvement page, including post ideas, hooks, captions, and formats for Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Once ready, I click the black send arrow. ChatGPT processes the request and generates a structured growth strategy. It first defines 5 core content pillars with specific percentage distributions. As the response scrolls, ChatGPT builds the day-by-day 30-day content calendar. For day 1, it proposes a short-form video on why most to-do lists fail, providing a hook, caption, actionable tips, and a call to action. Day 2 covers the 2-minute rule to tackle mental clutter, and day 3 addresses the morning routine myth via a talking head video. Day 4 introduces an interactive productivity poll for stories, while day 5 outlines an Instagram carousel detailing the 80/20 rule across 5 specific slide concepts. The output wraps up with a colorful circular pie chart illustrating the weekly content mix, followed by recommended posting frequencies for each platform and a list of engagement boosters to maximize follower growth. Next, I want to expand a specific idea into a full script. I click back into the input field at the bottom and type a follow-up prompt. Take the best content idea from the plan and turn it into a complete content package. Include a viral hook, script, caption, hashtags, image idea, thumbnail text, and call to action. I click the send arrow to submit. ChatGPT instantly selects the day 6 procrastination concept, reframing laziness as an anxiety response to being overwhelmed. It generates a complete package starting with a sharp 3-second viral hook, followed by a punchy 30 to 60-second video script offering a simple 5-minute action step. Scrolling down, I see it also provides a ready-to-copy caption, an engaging call to action, and a targeted block of productivity hashtags. Below that, it includes thumbnail text and a detailed 5-scene visual production layout mapping out the exact framing from the hook to the final frame. To maximize my strategy, I click the input bar again to ask for a final analysis. Analyze the content plan and identify which posts have the highest potential to go viral. Explain why they are likely to perform well and suggest improvements to reach maximum reach and engagement. I click send. ChatGPT responds by categorizing the calendar into clear viral tiers based on audience psychology. It ranks the day 6 procrastination post as the top viral candidate because it reframes a deeply held self-belief, labeling its specific identity-based triggers and providing an optimized hook. Scrolling further, it identifies day 24's unpopular opinions as the second highest viral candidate due to its polarizing, debate-driven nature, and day 8's a screen time check as third for its social proof. It provides specific formatting improvements for these days, such as side-by-side visual comparisons to increase retention. Finally, it groups the remaining ideas into medium and lowest viral potential categories, explaining that practical tips are excellent for saves, while reflections serve as community builders for established audiences. It concludes with an optimized strategy model to structure the page for maximum organic growth. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.